Hey guys and gals, we're live at 8:42 and we're running a two-winner giveaway mini for Mark. There they are, that driver in Jawa. I got 39 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our two big winners on a Saturday night. Here they are. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We did, we got an 11. We're in great shape to begin a Saturday night battle. Here we go. Jimmy and Ron, round 1. Rock and Michael, 2. Steve and Dieter, 3. Mark and Eric take round 4. Rock and Josh, 5. Gary and David take round 6. Todd and Gary, 7. CJ and Abel, round 8. Bill and Jimmy take round 9. Rock and Josh, again on top in round 10. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winners are Josh and Mark. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. KTXZND. There's our winners. And I am out of here. Done. As the clock turns to 8:44 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.